Good morning, guys. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here I go again. I didn't vlog last Friday because I was overcoming a test from God. Okay, I didn't vlog last Friday because I have to feed my soul. And so I feed my soul with words of God. So I was overcoming a test. I guess I'm overcoming it already. So I need to keep meditating, praying. So, but anyways, I'm back. And today I'm gonna review about this Amlactin lotion. It's a daily moisturizing lotion with 12% lactic acid. This is good for your rough and dry skin, especially if you have like KP and like bumpy skin. This is a really good one to help you with that. So this has mineral oil, dimethicone, potassium sorbate, ammonium lactate, water. So that's the main ingredients on that. That's only the ingredients as far as I know here. Have to be careful because this is lactic acid. It's AHA. So if you're a little sensitive like my skin, you might just use it once a day. I use it every night, but sometimes it's really sometimes it gives you a little irritation, like a bumpy thing, so you have to stop when you see that reaction. It means that you cannot use it every single day. But if you feel like you can use it every single day, then use it. It's much better if you use it every single day. So I've been using this for 2 months now. 2 months straight. Before I use it slowly. Before I use it only once a week. And then I go to twice a week, and then 3 times a week, and then every single day. But if I see like bump or irritation, I rest it for a while and then use it again. When you're using like alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, you have to be very careful, especially if you have sensitive skin. So you have to watch out on that. I'm not telling you to use it and then just don't see if you're getting along with that product. You have to monitor every single detail of your skin. Just not use it because people say so, okay? The only downside on this product is when you have cuts or scrapes on your skin, it will really tingle you a lot. It really hurts. Especially me, I have a lot of paper cuts. So if I have paper cuts on my skin, I will not use this because it really gonna hurt you so bad. Not like so bad, but because it really painful if you have a lot of scrapes. My skin has a lot of paper cuts, so if I see one of that, I'm not gonna use it on top of my body, but I will use it on my skin because I don't get a lot of paper cuts on my legs. But on my arms I get a lot, so I don't use it when I see paper cuts because I know it's gonna cause me pain. So, and then the other downside on this is the ammonium smell. It really stinks like bad, but you just have to use it at night. You don't need to use it in the morning, so you will not smell this in the morning. When you use it at night, the smell will be gone in the morning, so it's fine. So you have to shake it, guys. One time I didn't shake this. It says here shake it, but I don't listen. I'm a hard-headed. So I didn't shake it, and then the smell of the ammonium is in the bottom of this, and then once you pumped it, it smells so pee smell. That's the smell. Okay, it really stinks so bad, so you have to shake it so it will will be gone. It will be a little bit subside smell. So you have to, and don't forget to always use sunscreen in the morning, because this is alpha hydroxy acid. It will give you a little sunburn if you're not gonna use any sunscreen. I don't use this when I'm going to a trip, because I know I'm gonna go under the sun a lot. So I rested if I go to a trip, or I will go to the beach the next day. If I know I'm gonna go to the beach few days from now, I will stop it, because I don't want to have any sunburn that will create a lot of irritation or blister on my skin, because this will really give you a bad reaction from the sun. And us being hard-headed, I know sometimes we don't reapply, so that's the problem. Reapplying sunscreen is really the problem of mine sometimes, because you know, when you're out, sometimes you don't get the chance to wash your hands, and then what happened next? You don't reapply because you don't want to put your dirty hands on your face or on your skin. So that's the thing with this, guys. It's really a good product. I bought this one from Costco. You get two like this, big one for, I guess, 17 bucks or 14 bucks. I forgot. So it's a really good product. So try it. It really smoothens your skin. Because I don't use scrub on my skin to exfoliate my skin, so I use a chemical one. I don't use physical one like the scrubs and stuff, because it hurts. So I use this one. So just try it if you want it. If you want some chemical, it's not really harsh like the glycolic one. I never tried glycolic for my body, but I used it on my face, so I feel like lactic acid is a little less reaction, less irritation. So for me. And then today I'm gonna insert some empty of my thing, okay? Bear with me. All right, here you go. This one is they said it's a vitamin C, but for me it's just a water. So it says that here, brighten vitamin C. It doesn't say how much vitamin C is in this, but if you see this in the store, or I bought this one from Marshall, so if you see this from Marshall, don't buy it. It's just a waste of money, okay? I bought this one because I like the color of the bottle. I feel like it's gonna work because of the color, but no, it's just water. So don't buy this one if you're gonna plan to, if you see this one in the store. The color is very motivating to buy. Anyways, next is this foaming CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. For me that I have dry skin, for me it removes the oil, really the excess oil that I needed on my skin. So when I noticed that one, I stopped immediately, because I don't want to dry more my skin, because this is intended for normal to oily skin. So I guess if you have oily skin, this will really work. CeraVe has 3 ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid as well with this one. I guess this will really work if you have very oily skin or normal, okay? But if you have dry skin, don't try this one, because it will really strip off that natural oil of yours, and it will create more barrier damage. But I guess this will really work for oily skin and natural skin, so try it. This really works with your oil control, I will guarantee you. Next is this CK1 perfume, Calvin Klein one. I bought this one from Kohl's. This goes with the travel size, and then a body lotion, and this one for like 50 bucks. Cheap, right? But this one has a powdery smell, like fresh smell. So if you like that one, I guess this will work, but this will not last for too long. I guess the smell will fade after like 1 to 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours, the smell is gone. You need to refresh again with the perfume. So I'm not gonna tell you that this will last you if you go to a party or whatever. No, I guess you can only use this for every day. Like you just want to smell fresh or powdery or youthful, this is the one. But you cannot use this like it guarantees you that you will smell good for the whole day. Nah, not this perfume. So I'm not gonna tell you that. I'm not gonna repurchase this. I don't think that I liked it. But it will not fight on your chemistry, especially if it's sunny and then it's so hot outside. It will not fight on your chemistry. It's because sometimes some perfume, when you're under the sun, you feel like your sweat is mixing with your is fighting with your perfume, and then the tendency you will smell, instead of smelling good, you smell stinky. You're like, ew. Okay, so I'm not guarantee you that I don't like this. I'm not gonna repurchase it. But if just the smell talking, I like the smell, but the long lasting thing, no, not with this perfume. Next is this Snow White. I don't know really the brand for this one, guys. I bought this one from Rite Aid long time ago for clearance for like $3. Why not for $3? But this one, if you see this one in the store, if they still make this one, because it was sold December, so I guess it's for Christmas gifts, right? But I like this one because it really lasts. My $3 lasted for too long. For if you use this a day, you will still smell it the next day. So I like this one for $3. It's not really bad. I just, well, it's empty already, but I like the smell of this. It's sweet but not sweet. Or do you know what I mean? Sweet but not like not like overwhelming sweet. That's the smell of this. I don't know what perfume can I compare for this, but it smells like expensive. So that's the smell of this. It smells expensive. Really good one for $3. You will never regret for $3. I regretted the $50, but $3 gives me a long lasting smell. So I like this one. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's all for now. So if you enjoy this video, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you.